Did you know that you now have the ability to pre-generate serialized objects on JD Edwards Enterprise 1 HTML servers? By pre-generating serialized objects, you can increase performance and improve user experience. This is possible because pre-generated forms are instantly available to users. Otherwise, the first time that they are accessed, they must be generated in real time. Let's see an example using the Server Manager console. To enable and configure pre-generation of serialized objects, log into your Server Manager console as administrator. It is important to note that if you do not log in as administrator, you will not be able to configure this feature. Select the HTML server that you want to configure and navigate to Configuration, Advanced, Miscellaneous, Automatic Spec Generation settings. This screen shows the default values. You will notice that Automatic Spec Generation is not enabled by default and all other fields are blank. With these default settings, no objects are pre-generated. If serialized objects are not pre-generated, they will be created on demand, the first time a user accesses an application or form. On-demand generation of serialized objects can result in a performance lag and result in a diminished user experience. You can use Server Manager to enable automatic spec generation on your HTML or JAS servers by setting the value to true. Depending on your business need, you can specify values to define one or more objects to pre-generate as serialized objects. This screen shows an example of possible settings for the various groups of specification. These settings are applied anytime the HTML server is started or whenever a full or update package is delivered to the HTML server. In this case, the system performs a discovery, and the result is that only the objects in the package that are new or modified are pre-generated. For more information, visit us at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.